Hey y'all, welcome to the Sip Bite Go channel. Today we are diving into a mouth-watering tri-tip sandwich that will make you the hero of your next backyard barbecue. It's not just any sandwich, okay? It's packed with juicy, smoky flavors, perfect for any occasion. So stick around, learn how to make this crowd pleaser, and see my secret for the ultimate garlic mayo that takes it over the top. Today we'll be using the smoker, skillet, and grill, so get ready. First, you need to prep the tri-tip. I like to let it rest 20 minutes. This is a 2.5 to 3 pound tri-tip steak, and you're gonna see that I'm removing some of the extra fat on top. You might get yours pre-trimmed, but if there's a lot of extra fat, go ahead and gently pull that off the top with a thin paring knife, because that will help you get more flavor into the steak. I always pat meat dry so it absorbs more of the flavoring. Preheat the smoker to 250 while you season the steak. Rub 1 tablespoon of mustard or olive oil all over the steak as a binder, then generously coat it with 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub. Now, if you don't usually like mustard, I really beg that you try it just for this recipe, because you don't really taste a strong mustard flavor, but it does get the steak nice and juicy and it helps tenderize it. A really good quality barbecue meat thermometer is definitely a must when it comes to smoking steak, so you want to make sure you have one of my recommended thermometers that you can find in the description of this video. Smoke the tri-tip at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes in your Traeger. Get it to a temp of 115 to 120. While the tri-tip is smoking is a perfect time to make the toppings that go inside your tri-tip sandwich. So caramelize 1 large yellow onion. Do this by slicing it into 1/2-inch strip and saute it in a skillet on medium-high with 1/2 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring regularly until beautifully browned. Now it's time to grill the lemon to make some yummy mayo and also prepare the baguette. We're gonna grill them both. Start by slicing a large French baguette into 2 to 3 sections, then slice each section in half lengthwise. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat and place the lemon halves cut side down on the grill for like 3 minutes, and you can do the baguette on the grill the same time. The lemon should go over direct heat and the baguette can go over indirect heat. You just want to keep moving them around until they're lightly toasted. Let's make the grilled lemon garlic mayo. Remove the lemon from the grill and squeeze the juice into a bowl. Add some garlic salt, freshly cracked pepper, and fresh chopped herbs. I like to use some basil from my arrow garden. You could use parsley or cilantro. And then you just need to add some mayonnaise and just get it to the consistency that you'd like. Best news ever, the tri-tip is done smoking. It took about 45 minutes and all you need to do is rest it 10 minutes and then it's time to sear it. So you could crank up the smoker, use the hot grill, or use a skillet with some butter in it. You want the temp at about 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Just keep flipping the tri-tip around on all sides a minute or two until a crust forms and the internal temp reaches your desired doneness. This one was done about 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Now there are 2 angles. See, the grain's going this way, and then here it starts going this way. So this way, till see how here you can see the line going this way? So it's like right there. This is super important when it comes to tri-tip. When you go to cut it, you want to make sure to find those 2 separate grains and cut it in half. Oh! So beautiful. Right there. Then you can slice each section against the grain into super thin strips. The thinner the better for tri-tip sandwiches, because you really want this sandwich to melt in your mouth. Now it's time to assemble the sandwich with all the fixins, and don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube for more tasty things to serve with your tri-tip meal. Build your yummy barbecue sandwich by smearing that delicious grilled lemon garlic mayo on each side of your toasted baguette. Layer on the thinly sliced tri-tip. Just pack it on in there. You want yummy, meaty, juicy bites in every single section of this sandwich. Add on some heaping piles of caramelized onions and a handful of fresh arugula. It's gonna give it a nice fresh and peppery bite. Close up your toasted baguette. Enjoy it. This is such a yummy dish. And you can find all the equipment I use for it at the Sip by Go Amazon store included in the description of this video. And follow along, subscribe for more yummy recipes for your smoker, grill, and sides to go along with it. Have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers.